Remove scratches and oxidation, restore clarity, and protect your headlights against the elements with the Rain-X Premium Headlight Restoration Kit, a do-it-yourself kit that delivers professional results at a fraction of the price. Let's check out what's included in the kit. You will also need a cordless drill, protective eyewear, painter's tape, a household cleaner, spray bottle with water, and paper towels or chamois, which are not included. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the household cleaner to clean the headlight lenses. Apply multiple layers of masking or painter's tape to protect the surfaces surrounding the headlight lenses. Attach the drill attachment to the holder of the cordless drill. Center and attach the brown sanding disc to the drill attachment. Step 2. It's sanding time. For all sanding disc colors, be sure to start by misting both the lens and the surface of the sanding disc with water from the spray bottle. Sand the lens using light to medium pressure. Slowly move the drill back and forth to cover the entire lens surface. Begin sanding the first lens using the brown disc. When finished, mist the lens and wipe the surface clean. Inspect the lens to ensure all yellowing has been removed and the lens looks uniformly frosted. Using the second brown disc, repeat the steps on the other headlight. Next, move back to the first headlight. Remove the brown disc and replace with the gray disc. Repeat the sanding and misting process with the gray disc on both lenses. After sanding, mist the lens and wipe the surface clean. Inspect the lens to ensure scratches are finer. Lens should appear semi-clear at this point. To use the last sanding disc, move back to the first headlight, remove the gray disc, and replace with blue disc. Repeat the sanding and misting process using the blue disc on both lenses. After sanding, mist the lens and wipe the surface clean. Finally, inspect the lens to ensure it appears mostly clear at this point. When all sanding is complete, remove the blue disc. Step 3 is all about polishing. Place the orange foam polishing pad on the drill attachment. Tear open the Rain-X Premium Headlight Buffing Polish pouch and squeeze a nickel-sized amount onto the center of the foam polishing pad. Before turning on the cordless drill, smear the polish around the lens to minimize splatter. Then turn on the drill. Hold the foam pad flat to the lens and move over the entire surface. The polish should appear frost-like on the lens. After one application, mist and wipe the lens, removing excess polish. The clarity of the lens should be improved. Repeat the application until the lens reaches desired clarity. Repeat these same steps on the other headlight. Step 4 is protecting. Both lenses have been prepped, sanded, and polished. Put on the gloves provided and tear open the Rain-X Premium Headlight Sealant Protectant Wipe Pouch. Once you remove the wipe, be sure to work quickly, as the treatment begins to cure as soon as the pouch is opened. Rub the wipe over one lens at a time in one complete motion, ensuring no dry spots are left on the surface. Unfold and refold the wipe to maintain wetness to finish treating both lenses. If streaks appear on the lens, don't worry. They will dissipate as the treatment dries. Allow the lenses to air dry for at least 1 hour before touching, and rest at least 8 hours before exposing headlights to the elements, including car washes. It is safe to remove tape after drying for at least 1 hour. That's it. You're done. Enjoy your restored driving visibility, courtesy of Rain-X Premium Headlight Restoration Kit. Rain-X. Outsmart the elements.